McKellen Mobile Marketing comes to you today to share some of the ranking factors that are working in 2019. There are things that work better now, and there are things that matter the most. There are 4 of them that we think that are going to be important for you. The top one being a secure site validated with an SSL certificate. The second one being having a Google My Business page that is optimized with a website. And then the third one, having mobile compatible website. This is because over 50% of the searches are done on mobile devices. And then the fourth one that we think is important is videos that provides high value that is on your website also. Google has reported that there's actually over 200 factors that they do. Let us go now and look on the browser and see what there is and where you can look for this information. So to get your website for your business ranking on page 1 so that people see who you are and where you're at, it's necessary to have several ranking factors working on your website. Here on this page it shows us that Google is saying that they are using over 200 ranking signals to determine search page rankings. But there are some that play harder than others, and I think that the top 4 that we need to be looking at is the SSL certificate for security and for the Google My Business linking to the website, and the mobile compatibility of the website, and finally using the video on the website also. It said that in 2020 over 80% of consumption on the internet is going to be video. So we need to have that video working for us also. So we'll look at the 200 factors. We come down on this page and there's an infographic down here. It talks about these 200 ranking factors here. And they're broken out into different areas. One is the domain factors. I will give you the links to all of these research papers so that you can find them. There's page level factors that are involved. There's a couple more. Site level factors is an important part of this. And then also the backlink factors are involved. And finally, the other part is the user interaction. This would be the social interaction and how it is that you work with the people that come to visit your website. Going to the pages on looking at the secure site for the SSL certificates. The search you want to do is, does Google rank SSL sites higher? And certainly it does say here that SSL will rank them higher. And 2018 was when it starts to get real, and it does affect them. So you look up, does Google rank SSL sites higher? Then the next one that you need to consider is the Google My Business. This needs to be connected to your website. Name, address, and phone number needs to be correct on all of these. So you look up, do I need a GMB or Google My Business page? And this information will give you what you need to know and how that it works. How to completely optimize your Google Business listing for 2019. And then this bottom one here, it says how to use Google My Business to get more customers. There is ways to do this, but it just needs to be paid attention to and applied and work correctly. The next one is, does mobile compatibility affect ranking? That's a search you want to put in here. And then it says that mobile compatibility actually does increase the ranking, and they've been doing that since 2015. And Google Change will rank mobile friendly sites higher. So that needs to be happening also. And finally, does the video in my website help my search rankings? This is a Rise of Video 8 tips to boost your site's SEO with video. It turns out that yes, SEO and video go hand in hand. You need to have video on your website in order to be applying that ranking factor and get your website on the front page of Google. Thank you. My name is Tony Denson with McAllen Mobile Marketing, and I look forward to helping you with what you need to do.